So let's say you want an astronaut dog. You can generate an image of that. There we go. So my name's David, and in this tutorial, we're going to go over OpenAPI's and there we go. My name's David, and today we're going to go over OpenAI API of their image generation. So what they do is that we call OpenAI.createImage, and we give it a prompt. And in this example, in the documentation, they do a white Siamese cat, and it creates it. And what we did was that an astronaut dog, and it created that. The N represents the amount of images you can request, so 1 through 10. And then the size of it is what size you want your images, and 256 by 256, 512, 1024 pixels. So that's how you do it. And then you can also do edits and variations on it. So for what we just did for just the create image, we need to pass this dynamically with what we put in here. And then for this starter code, I use the same one as their prompt one, where you can enter an animal, and then we use ChatGPT algorithm to generate a pet name. But instead of that, I modified it for the image one because they didn't have a full out tutorial. They just had a sample code. So what I did was that I cloned the starter code for NodeJS, and then we have it here, and it starts off in the front end. It's the same thing. I just changed some of the variables from dog to image. So you have it. So we get the input of whatever the user types in, and we get that value. And then when they submit it, we make the API call to API generate, and we pass that prompt input back to a backend. So /API/generate. And then here, it authenticates, configures OpenAI, and you're gonna have to create .env and passing your secret key to OpenAI API key. So that configures it. And then we just do some validation, trimming it, any error handling. And then here is what makes the image, where the variable that we pass back, we created from here, and we got it from the body. And then we trimmed any extra space. And then we create an image for one, and 256 by 256. And then this is what we get. I console logged it when testing it. And then we send it back as result : image URL. So back in the front end, we get that result, and we put in the SRC for image. So that's how you create an image. So here you can pass in any prompt, and you can use OpenAI's API to create any image you want. Thank you so much.